There's new follow connected to the second attempted assassination of Donald Trump. The son of the man arrested in Florida is now facing child pornography charges. Officers raided Orrin Rouse Greensboro home Saturday and say he had multiple devices with child pornography on them. Joining me now is Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes. Okay, so Khalif, the main question here is that we know law enforcement teams had the authorization to conduct that search on the home, but when it comes to someone else's property in the home, how does that all play out?
Great question. So any search that a person or officer does, I should say, on your property, obviously they'll need some type of search warrant or an arrest warrant if they're going there to arrest you. But if you're going to search, it has to be with specificity. They talked about going to that location to find anything that could lead to details of what happened regarding the incident. They were looking for cell phones, they were looking for tablets, any type of computer, because he wrote multiple notes. And if you have multiple notes, there's probably some devices he used. Also, his phones had pinged in multiple locations where the president had been before. So you're looking for tablets or computers or phones again. So if you can find more information that shows you how and what led to this incident happening. So if you've done that and you've listed with specificity what you're looking for, you are kind of tied into looking for those things. However, if you find multiple phones and you're unable to figure out, well, whose phone this is, then what you'll do is go petition the court for a warrant. And that's what they said they did. They went and got a warrant once they have these devices, and now we want to search these devices. In the process of searching the devices, that's when they stumbled upon, hey, this phone right here has child pornography on it, and a couple other devices in there are linking him to child pornography, and that's where the charge comes from. But they didn't go in there looking for this. They just stumbled on there, and they're not supposed to turn a blind eye to information they see.
So how does this all play out here? Do they find the phone and look through it, find the child pornography, and then go for the search warrant? Or do they have to get the search warrant before they even look at the phone? And follow-up question to my question is, how long does it take to get that search warrant?
Great question. As the former chief magistrate of Mecklenburg County, that's where they would go if this is on the local or level. I mean, this is the FBI, so I'm assuming they went to a U.S. Magistrate judge on the U.S. Federal side, but the process is still the same. And so what you would do is it would be multiple search warrants. You would do the search warrant to get you to the house, and you would say, look, this is what I'm looking for, but then you'd get the devices. Now you need another search warrant. You don't have authorization. Either the person will consent, but you can't, they would either consent, which most people won't, or you would now say, okay, you don't consent, I'll go ahead and ask, I have this information, Your Honor, we believe on this device, there is more information on here that it will help us figure out what happened with this charge, with this case. Now, any judge, any judicial official, well, at that point will all issue a search warrant, and then you get access to it. The process is pretty quick because now they have brought you this information that's further in their investigation, so that's not a long process. You're talking about a matter of minutes or hours.
Oh, really? Okay.
Once you have that information.
It's all interesting the way that this played out, because if his father wouldn't have been in any trouble at all, it makes you wonder how long.
Would never got caught.
Exactly. Yeah. Khalif, thank you.